Hey people, so this particular video is special because see this thing that I'm wearing I got from Bidar, and it feels so soft and it's just feels great. And this friend of mine, her name is Sriya Singh. She is a author on Amazon with over 25 ebooks. So you all can just type Sriya Singh, Sriya Singh, Sriya Singh, and my god, her books, you start reading, you want just keep reading, it's just awesome. So no, it was so nice of her. She told me the color yellow suits me apparently, and that's what she finds my videos with my child very sweet. So it just occurred to me that like when a person takes the time out to tell you how nice they find anything of yours, be it anything. If they just give you a compliment, it can brighten your day like nothing else. So thank you, Sriya, and really, people, you all should check out her books on Amazon. It's called that's what Sriya Singh. Their entire list of 25 ebooks, and I have to say, right down to the titles, it's like you can't wait to open it and start reading. I've read of the 25, I've read almost like at least 5 ebooks, and one after the other. And of late, life has been busy. I went to Bidar and all of that, but Sriya Singh it is. So people do check it out on Amazon. I think she is one of these writers to look out for because the future is ebooks. It's about having these short ebooks to read. So Sriya Singh, amazing painter, writer, and author on Amazon. So it's already a 2 minute long video. And see, Sriya, I'm wearing yellow just for you. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.